Daddy, I'm ready to go now.
Yeah, I'm ready to go now.
Mommy! Guys, next one. Let's go! Woo! Woo! We're driving it! Look at the mountain! Oh! Yeah, look at the mountain! We are driving! You want to saw, Mommy? Are you going? Guys, we are trying it. Okay, we're in the bus. Daddy, can we go to Ferrande? Turn left. Here we going to Ferrande. We're not going to Ferrande. Can you see his house? Up.
There's no Farhan's house.
Hey, where's Ferrand's house from?
Daddy,
here's the second race.
Yeah, it's a sacred place.
Because of the dog. Dog is not yellow, there's no dogs. See, you can't even see donkeys. Donkeys are only in the park. I saw the dog was there the whole time. Yo, look for us. Up. There's a... AJ? No. Daddy said there's a new place now.
Where?
There's a new place.
Where's the new place?
This place. Is it the new place?
Where?
This place is the new one.
I don't know. You know it's not.
Dad, we just going to buy fries.
No, I'm not buying fries.
Then why are you doing that?
I'm going somewhere.
Where are you going?
You're gonna see.
We are gonna see. Is it the shop?
No, I'm not going in the
I
shop.
know, I think that's going to work maybe. Daddy, I think you're going to buy that grey car.
No, I'm not buying
Daddy,
it.
yesterday we saw a green Lamborghini and mommy was driving and mom said you must go to the Lamborghini store. Daddy, we just saw the Lamborghini. Yeah, Dad, and mommy said you need to go in the Lamborghini store.
For what?
To go buy a Lamborghini because you need to go to work and buy so much money. Then you need to go in the Lamborghini store and buy the Lamborghini.
A Lamborghini?
Yeah, don't say like this. Why you say like this, Daddy? A Lamborghini? It's not a Lamborghini, it's a Lamborghini. Of me, I try say that. No, Daddy was saying a Lamborghini. Daddy, mom said you need to go to the Lamborghini store. Dad said he's going to the
Not
Lamborghini
now.
store.
I will go in next year.
What next year?
You must sleep 365 days.
Oh, no! Dad, you said you are going to give the guy money. If you said we are sleep tomorrow, Daddy said we are going to give the guy money.
We didn't see the guy. Didn't you see the guy when you were driving with mommy? When you were driving with mommy?
Yeah, I saw him. Then why you didn't give him money?
Did mommy pick you up at school?
Guys, Vishali, we are driving through. Yeah, we are going to the western port. Hello, guys. Welcome down. Yes, maybe, but we are going to work right now. Then we are going to buy some money, and we can buy everything, and we can go to the market and buy some snacks. Then you better get to go. Yeah, go over here, okay. Where are we going? Yes, wait, I'm running so fast. Malika, why are we using this old slow car? No. We need to buy that fast car now. The gray one. Yeah, the gray one's so fast. Wait, why's my hand stuck? I'm sticking. Yo guys, we are almost there, guys. Look, Malachi, we're almost there. Okay, guys, it's getting closer.
Almost where?
Where are we going, Daddy?
Dad is going somewhere.
To work.
No, not to work.
I think Dad's going to the park.
What park? Why must I go to park?
You must. And can we go to the back?
No, you're wearing pajamas, not wearing shoes.
Where are we going?
Don't worry where we're going. Dad is going to his own place. You just sit in the car and that's all you're gonna do. You're not gonna get out of the car.
Where are you going? To your own place and we are staying here.
Yeah, you're gonna see Daddy when he's going out the car.
No, Dad, I don't want to stay here long.
But you're gonna see Daddy and not gonna be long.
Yes, you did. But I don't want to.
Must I take you home? Must I take you home?
You didn't take me once you find out.
Who's gonna look after AJ in the car?
AJ can come in. In the house, Daddy.
I'm not going in the house. I'm gonna be outside the car.
What are you going to do?
I'm getting something.
China. That is in China.
Yes, that is China. Look how it looks.
Oh, you going to China?
I'm not going to China. I'm just showing you. This is China town.
What are we doing here?
I'm not coming here. You said you wanted to see China. I'm driving here. I'm not coming here.
How is China here? We are in China. Is it this China? China's the fight.
It's Chinatown. It's Chinatown.
The China makes you fight. Dad, I don't want to fight.
No, why are you gonna fight?
I saw the video of Chinese fighting like this. Look at. Daddy, I don't want to go fight.
You're not fighting. Who said you're fighting? I'm driving here. Melika is lying, boy.
Daddy, this is the China place.
It's a China shops.
A China shop.
Little shops.
What's the China shop? We are going to buy some.
We're not buying something.
Then what are we doing here?
I'm driving here. It's a street.
Another China. Hello guys, we're in China right now. Okay. Okay, I'll see you. Dad, why are we in the cutting place?
What cutting place?
I don't want to cut my hair.
I didn't say you're cutting your hair.
We could.
Look there at the blue house.
You, that's a we're going back to the doors. Hey, what's that?
It's a gate.
Yeah. There's a guy from China.
Why don't you stop talking, Mishali? Melika, Mishali. You don't know if you wanna see me or not.
I can't see. Look, there's the China sign. You can see the line. Look at this. The wall. That's on the white one. And look at that China place. It's so China. We almost hit by home tonight. Hey, where are we going? Mishali, tell him again. Charlie, tell him again. Daddy, can we go to work and buy money? Daddy, can we go to work and buy money?
We can't go anywhere. You're not dressed. You're not wearing clothes. Daddy's also not wearing clothes. Daddy is just driving.
Daddy,
I said to you when I left the house, I'm just driving. I'm not going anywhere.
Daddy,
I'm just taking a drive.
Daddy, you and me, I was going to work socks. Then you and me was going to the Uber. Then you and me was going to work.
When is that now?
You and me were going to work with the Uber. And was me there?
I don't remember.
I was only there with Daddy. Not me. I was late with Papa. No, you were just playing with AJ. Then we sneak out at the door. I know we're here. We're not here, bro. AJ? Hi. Give me space. Daddy, can you open my window, please?
Don't open any window.
Why? cutting too little. I said, never, very easy. Yes, wait, we just wait for time. We just saw another conversation. Just join us. I'm gonna go eat up on me. Hi, Mercedes. Mercedes. Yeah, there's Mercedes. Well, we Santa Claus and the monkey out there. The street is blue and the one below in you.
Look at the uncle dancing in the car behind you.
What? Look up there! No, there is! I'm standing up there! Look behind you, there's fire behind you! Oh! Hey! Here's Santa Claus! Where's fire behind you? Where's the guy dancing?
Yes, the guy was dancing. It's finished now.
Look at that thing! Yes, the guy! Look at this! Yes, come look! Yes, the guy! Look!
Shoot.
Daddy, what
I'm
do
in
you...
the wrong side.
Daddy, why is it so...
Wait.
Now why are we in the wrong place? Let's just sleep. They will be home.
Let me actually go straight.
Wake up. Why are we not home yet? Look at the video. Just wake up. Look, we almost go here. No, that's the same place we started going. Like I just saw a Lamborghini again. That's true. I just saw a brown Lamborghini. I was black Lamborghini. I saw that. No, you saw in the buying car. No, it was not the Mercedes. In the buying car. The Lamborghini is in the buying car. I look at that same car than us. No. Stop here. Stop. Why did he put our car there now? And that's the David Center. Look. That's best fun. When you take them and that person. You see? What is that smell? I look at the big building. There's home. Papa, look. How are we supposed to go there now? Yo, we're up in the mountain. We're up in the mountain at Ferran. Bella's walk. Yo. What's that?
Yo.
Yes, Bella's walk this time. Lamborghini. Hey. The grey one. I just saw. Can you see Lamborghini? No. Why are you? Yo, I just saw a black Lamborghini again. This is the boy car.
Wait, I want to fix something. I'm going to stop here.
Where are you going?
I just want to fix something.
Then where are we going?
You're not going anywhere.
Dad, I'm not going to see you.
You're going to see me. I'm fixing something. I'm not going anywhere.
It's not going anywhere. It's just fixing. Don't worry.